Did you know you can turn your photo into cartoon? Yes, in this video I am going to show you how you can use AI to turn your images to cartoon or avatar. You can also use it to generate 3D images for cartoon production. Again, you can use AI to generate photorealistic images. I will show you how you can do all of these things using free tool known as ChatGPT. Hello everyone, my name is Pat from Primevox Academy. If you are ready, let's get started. For us to begin, what I will do is to open ChatGPT. Once you get to ChatGPT, you will then upload that photo you want to turn to cartoon. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I have done a comprehensive video on this. You will find the link in the description box below. So for me to start, I'll first of all click on this plus button in order to add my photo. So I will click on add photo and files. Once I click that, I will locate the photo I want to use for this. So assuming this is what I want to convert to cartoon, I'll just click on it, then click on open. Immediately I do that, it will upload this image to ChatGPT. Then I will then enter my prompt. So for this prompt, I only said cartoon this image. Once I do that, I'll then click on this button. Immediately, I'll wait for ChatGPT to convert it. Remember, this is the original image. Why this one is the one ChatGPT is working on, so that it will convert it into cartoon or avatar, as the case may be. I am going to pause the video and return when the video is ready. Boom! You can see our image. We now have a cartoon image. Look at it. This is the original one. Why this is cartoon? How cool is this? Again, apart from converting a photo into a cartoon, you can also use ChatGPT to generate a photorealistic image. All you will need to do is to input a definite prompt, a well-defined prompt that will help ChatGPT to understand what you are saying. For this, we are going to enter this prompt. Here I said, create a high contrast close-up portrait of the referenced man. The image should depict only the left half of his face, partially submerged in water with fire and ice droplets and bubbles visible on his skin and hair. Illuminate the left side of the face dramatically, casting the rest into deep shadow. Dark background, detail in skin texture, beard stubble, and eye focus to evoke a moody cinematic atmosphere. And it should be 3:4 orientation. So let us enter it now and see what ChatGPT will generate for us. I'm going to pause the video and return when the process is complete. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated this image for us. How cool is this? So what can you say about the image ChatGPT generated for us? You can as well go on to generate more images. Maybe I have another prompt that also generates a different image other than this. Let's try it. For this one, we are looking for a cinematic bubble exposure of a man in profile. You can please pause the video and take a look at the prompt. So I will click send in order to see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. Oh, because I am on a free version, I have reached my daily limit for image generation. If you have plus version, please try it and share your experience in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to my channel and do well to share the video. Also give it a thumb up so that YouTube will show the video to many others. I hope you have learned something. Until next time, keep learning.